Donna here with Ready to Stamp. And today's question is, how do I get my new cutting blades in my trimmer? Getting your new trimming blades in your cutting blades in your new Stampin' Trimmer is really not that difficult. Let me share with you how we do that. Okay, first of all, we're going to we get a package of 4. So you're just going to pop it off, pop them out of there. Now be careful because it's going to be sharp. We're going to lean it to the side. And again, right here where the numbers are, I'm going to lift it up and show you. Right here where the numbers are, you can see that there's like a little, like a oval right there, and that's where you're going to put your blade. So we're going to tip it a little bit to the back. Find where that little lip is. Push it down in there. Push it, and there you go. It's attached. Okay. So we're gonna pull it towards that little area right here where it almost looks broken, but it's not broken. It's got like a little indent. So as I'm pulling my blade, I'm lifting it. Whoops, I'm lifting it. Okay, and as you get there, it's just gonna slide right out. Now to put it back in, you're gonna do the opposite. You're gonna tilt it. Find that little lip right there. Push it in there. Okay. All right, so I hope that helps you with putting the blades back into your trimmer. If you have any other questions, please feel free to check the rest of my videos on my YouTube channel or send me a question to Donna@readytostamp.com. My name is Donna with Ready to Stamp, and thanks for watching. Happy creating!